Here are some highly useful home gadgets that you may not have heard of but would love to own. Welcome to our top innovative home gadgets you need right now to make your life easier. Take a look at what we found. First up, the automated coffee maker that brews your perfect cup that is auto-programmable and offers an auto-brew feature. Wake up and smell the convenience. Next, meet the handy trash can. It has a built-in manual trash compactor to maximize usage. Trash duty, lessened because we can fit more in. For a spotless home, check out this robot vacuum that also mops and is self-emptying. It's like having a tiny, tireless butler on wheels. No more crumbs. You set it and forget it. Cat lovers, you'll love the self-cleaning litter box. Because you've got better things to do than scoop poop. Home office heroes. This 5-outlet surge protector wall charger with 4 USB ports will help you keep everything running all day and your cables tidy. Work smarter, not harder, saving energy. Have you tried a Google Nest thermostat? It will have your power bills doing a happy dance. How about a lighted bathroom mirror with built-in Bluetooth speaker? Now, we listed several more in the description box with the links where you can find more detail or purchase them. We would love to hear from you. Tell us in the comments which gadget you use that you could not be without. Smash that like and subscribe button for more cool recommendations and check out our affiliate links below. Thanks for watching Easy Pick for You. See you next time.